CarPros Kia, the #1 top-selling Kia dealership in the USA, knows that. Consumers looking for a car dealer aren't just interested in having a great inventory. It's about family. At CarPros Kia, we're committed to the total satisfaction of our customers. We strive to treat each and every customer with the respect and dedication they deserve. Let our family here at CarPros Kia take care of your family. Learn more about CarPros Kia at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, schedule a service appointment. Fill out our quick and easy 30-second credit application. View our customers' testimonials to hear firsthand why buying with us is the best choice. And find out more about what makes CarPros Kia the right dealership for you. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.